Welcome to Gyana channel. Today we are starting our new tutorial for the software named Scilab. What is Scilab? It is an acronym for Scientific Laboratory. It was created in 1990 by two well-known French institutions. Now it was maintained by the Scilab Consortium. Scilab is mainly used as scientific and engineering computation tool in which it is mostly employed for numerical computing like other softwares Excel and MATLAB. Why we need to go for Scilab? First point, it is an open source software. We no need to spend our money for getting licenses. And it is very simple to program. It does not require any other high-level computer languages like C, C++, Fortran, Java. Also, it is very well documented. It is compatible with all other operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Apart from all other points, the main important point is it requires less disk space than any other commercial softwares available in the market. It needs almost 200 MB and it can be run in all basic computers. What can we do with Scilab? It can be used to solve algebraic equation and also it can be used to solve ordinary differential equations. It can be used to optimize both single and multi-objective functions using derivative and derivative-free method. Also, Scilab can be used as image processing and signal processing tool. Mostly, Scilab is used for plotting and visualizing the results and it can be used to generate publication quality figures. In this tutorial, we will also provide hands-on training on how to write a program to do calculations both basic and advanced mode in Scilab, how to plot and visualizing the results. Also, we will try to solve few real-world problems where Scilab can be used. In overall, we will demonstrate how to use Scilab effectively for our education and research purposes. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like our video, please like and share and subscribe our channel.